Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this video, let us solve remaining problems from exercise 26b. Moving on to sixth one. See here, for each pair of linear equations given below, draw graphs and then state whether the lines drawn are parallel or perpendicular to each other. So here, let me take first one. So each pair of linear equations. So here they give two. That means one pair of linear equations, right? Y equal to 3x minus 1 is one equation and y equal to 3x minus 2 is another equation, right? So here I'm taking the first one, y equal to 3x minus 1. Let it be the first equation. Okay. So here, what we have to do first, if x equal to 1, if substitute x equal to 1, what will get 3 into 1, it is 3. So 3 minus 1, it is 2. So y equal to 2, and that point is 1 comma 2. In the same way, if x equal to 0, 3 into 0, it is 0. 0 minus 1, it is minus 1, right? So the point is 0 comma minus 1. So y x equal to minus 2, 3 into minus 2, it is minus 6, minus 6 minus 1, it is minus 7. So the point is minus 2 comma minus 7. So let us draw this line. How we will get this line? Okay. Before that, let me erase this everything so that you can see clearly how we will get the line. Yeah. Next, going on to graph. See, the first point is 1 comma 2. So, see here, 1 comma 2, right? So, let me mark there 1 comma 2. On x it is 1, on y it is 2. So, this is the point, I think so, right? So, this is the point. Next, another point is 0 comma minus 1. So, 0 comma minus 1, where will you get that point? See, 0, x is 0, so you'll get it on y-axis. So this the required point is this one, right? So this is 0 comma minus 1. And the third point is minus 2 comma 7. So minus 2, x is minus 2 and y is 7, right? So minus 2 comma minus 7, right? Sorry, it is minus 7. So minus 2 comma minus 7, you'll get it over there. So now these are the 3 points. Now, if you join them with the help of scale, here you will get a line, right? See how you will get. So this is the line. What it is? Y equal to 3x minus 1. In the same way, if I take the second one, what it is? Y equal to 3x plus 2. If I substitute the values like x equal to 2, I will get y equal to 8. X equal to 1, I will get y equal to 5. And x equal to minus 3, I will get y equal to minus 7. So let us plot these points. First one is 2 comma 8, right? So where you will get 2 comma 8? So here this is 2 comma 8. Next 1 comma 5. So where you will get 1 comma 5? This is 1 comma 5, right? Next, third one is minus 3 comma minus 7. So minus 3. See, here we'll get minus 3 comma minus 7, right? Somewhat like this. So next, if you join them, what we'll get? See, after joining, we got those two lines like this, right? Clearly, we can tell these two are parallel. So they are asking that one only, right? The question they are asking whether the lines drawn are parallel or perpendicular to each other. So first one, they are parallel to each other. The second one also you can take it as same. Y equal to x minus 3. Take points, substitute x values, you'll get y values and take the points you have to draw. Next. See, third one is somewhat different. How we can find points for this type of equations? 2x minus 3y equal to 6 and x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So first, we have to convert these two equations as normal linear equations. So see here, given it is minus 2x minus 3y equal to 6. So make the variable with the least coefficient as index or LHS side. Okay, so by transposing 3y to that side becomes plus 3y as here it is subtraction. So x is equal to 6 plus 3y divided by 2. Why? Because here the least coefficient is for x, it is 2. So that we can get the points easily. Okay. So now we have to do this. Okay, in order to find the values, if y equal to 0, what we can substitute y equal to 0 here? 6 plus 3 into 0. 3 zeros it is 0. So 6 plus 0 it is 6 by 2 it is 3. So point is when y equal to 0, x equal to 3. So the point is 3 comma 0. Right? In the same way, if y is equal to 2, we'll get x equal to 6 and y equal to minus 2, we'll get x equal to 0. Right? Why? Because 3 into minus 2 it is minus 6, 6 minus 6 it is 0 by 2 it is 0. So these are the 3 points for the first equation. In the same way, second equation in the third one is x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So here it is in the form of fractions, right? So for this x by 2 plus y by 3, LCM is 6, right? For 2 and 3, LCM is 6. So here LCM is 6, right? So here we can do one thing. After taking LCM, we'll get 3x plus 2y by 6 equal to 1. If we send 6 that side, it will become like this. 3x plus 2y equal to 6. So we got a linear equation now, right? So now sending 3x that side. Why? Because now 2 has the least coefficient. So y equal to 6 minus 3x by 2 got. If you substitute x equal to 0, 3 zeros are 0, 6 minus 0. Here I have written plus, sorry. 6 minus 0 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. So x equal to 0, y equal to 3. In the same way, if we take x equal to 2, we will get y equal to 0. And x equal to minus 2, we will get y equal to 6. So let us plot these points on graph and check how we will get. Before plotting, let me remove the old points and old lines. So here, first point, what it is, I'm plotting this line first. Okay, first complete one line and then go for the second line. So 3 comma 0. Here y is 0. So where will get? We'll get it on x-axis, right? So 3 comma 0. This is a point. Okay. Next. 3 comma 0. So okay. Next. 6 comma 2. Where will get 6 comma 2? X is 6 and y is 2. Is this the point? Yes. Next 0 comma minus 2. X is 0. So you'll get it on y-axis. So this is the equation. So joining these three, see how you will get. If we join these three, you will get it like this, right? So this is the line. We can extend it. Why? Because we don't up to here, we will get the points. Okay. Next. Second equation also, let me plot the points. So 0 comma 3. So x is 0. So you'll get that point on y-axis. So 0 comma 3. Next 2 comma 0. You'll get it on x-axis, right? This is 2 comma 0. So 2 comma 0. This is 2 comma 0 and minus 2 comma minus 2 comma 6, right? So minus 2 comma 6, you will get it here, right? So again, now if you join these 3 points, let us check how you will get. This is the line, right? If you join these 3 points, you will get it like this. So by seeing this, you can tell directly these two lines are perpendicular, right? So here the angle is 90 degrees. So you can tell these two lines are not parallel and they are perpendicular. That's what they're asking. Okay. So let me explain other problems, how to solve them. Once listen carefully. On the same graph, plot the graph of y equal to x minus 2 and y equal to 2x plus 1 y equal to 4 from x equal to minus 4 to 3. They are asking you have to plot from there to there only. You are not supposed to extend. Suppose, let me take one example. So see here, check it. Y equal to x minus 2. So where you will get y equal to x minus 2? If you take x equal to 0, where you will get 0 comma minus 2 you will get. I am telling directly, see, you will get it like this, 0 comma minus 2. Next, they are asking from x equal to minus 4 to 3, right? So take x equal to minus 4 now. What you will get? X equal to minus 4 means y is equal to minus 6. So minus 4 comma minus 6. There will get. And the final value is x equal to 3. So put x equal to 3. 3 minus it is 1. So y is equal to 1. So when x equal to 3, y is equal to 1. So ending point, starting, this is ending, this is starting, and this is the middle line. So from there to there only we have to draw the line. Why? Because they are asking draw from that point to this point. So you have to draw up to here only. You are not supposed to extend the line. Okay. Next, in the same way, you have to draw the two lines also. Y equal to 4. So y equal to 4, you will get it like this, right? So y equal to 4 means it is parallel to x-axis. So you will get a line like this from x equal to 3 to minus 4 to 3. From here to here only, we have to draw the line. Okay. See, I will show it clearly. Sorry. Okay. Let me change its color. Now it is visible, right? So here to here, that is the line. In the same way, you have to draw other line. In the same way, next question, these three lines you have to draw from x equal to minus 2 to x equal to 4. So first, you have to take minus 4. Next, x equal to 4 and any middle value, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you'll get 3 points, right? Next, the graph meets the x-axis. So this one, what you have to do? See here, what they are asking? The graph of 3x plus 2y equal to 6 meet x-axis at P. So draw this line 3x plus 2y equal to 6. See where it meets the x-axis. And that point you have to write as P. And where it meets y-axis, that point you have to write as Q. Okay. That's all. Nothing is there in this question. Okay. So next. Same. Draw the graph of the equation. From the graph, you have to see where x1, the value of x when y equal to 3. At y equal to 3, draw a straight line wherever you will meet. See here, like this. Suppose you have equation, a graph like this, and if the line is like this, okay. Suppose think, and they're asking from y equal to 3, right? So at y equal to 3, draw a line. See where it meets that line, where it meets the given line. It meets the given line at this particular point, right? So this point will be the answer what they are asking. So y equal to 3 means their x equal to 4. Like that, we have to check. Yeah. In the same way, all the next questions you have to do the same method. Last, final, 13th one. See, use the graphical method to show that the straight lines given by the equations passes through the same point. So, after drawing all these lines, you can check they all are passes through one given point. Like you will get it like this. See here, after drawing, you will get all the lines like this. See, I'll come in. These through are passing through one point, right? In the same way, the another one more third line will also passes through the same point. If you get the lines like this, then you can tell all these three lines are passing through the same point, right? So no need to worry about this exercise. Remaining problem just completed. Yeah. Thank you everyone.